Hello, we live in a dynamic world, but since millennia we build static and immobile or immovable. This makes no sense. What we need are transformable structures, and this can be achieved with transformable areas. How? Transformable areas can be made real with transformable area systems. Their purest form are maritime transformable area systems, so-called Bluefield. Bluefield, you have one pontoon with several layers, but I will make it less complicated now. So imagine you have a floating pontoon that can be combined with other floating pontoons. That means they are modular, scalable, mobile, and otherwise transformable. And these systems make also superstructures such as buildings and building contents, at least modular and mobile, but also otherwise transformable. The same applies to substructures such as pipes, etc. And why do we need this? If you consider, for example, large construction sites in cities or factories that last sometimes over 10 years. I'm not talking about new greenfield projects or, for example, new cities that are constructed somewhere. I'm talking about cities that we already have and that need to be transformed, and also factories. Even in greenfield projects you have change requirements, but this is not the main point. The main point are structures that are given and that need to be transformed. And for this we need transformable areas which make the entire concept of immovables or real estate and property, they make them to mobilities. So for the first time in history, and here we can achieve a genuine fourth industrial revolution without demolitions, with less waste, with less energy consumption, and so forth. This means that we can really achieve a circular economy and real sustainability for the first time in history. It's not a dream, and this is also not, how to say, yeah, something that I talk about which is unreal. This can be made real by humankind, and this is also my aim. I would like us to do this because it makes absolutely sense, and we can achieve the fourth industrial revolution for the first time in history. And it is not only based on digital possibilities. We need dynamic structures. This is more important. So, and combined with the possibilities of Industry 4.0 and other digitalization options, this is really great. So, and the first world power, or let's say the first country who starts with this, will have significant advantages in the future. And my wish is that the entire world starts to do this because it makes sense. Thank you.